Hey guys, it's Michelle with Adventure Mentality, and today we're doing something a little bit weird. It's going to be totally awesome. We are at a splash lab / smash lab, and we're going to throw some paint around and we're going to destroy some stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. There are many different types of paint rooms and rec rooms, and we were lucky enough to find a business that had both of them in one location. The paint room is good for anyone of any age. The Smash Lab has an age requirement of older teens to adults. Make sure you stick around until the end of the video where I'll share a tip for making your Smash Lab experience way more awesome.
So you can do whatever you want. You can make your
Oh boy!
That's my thing.
No. No.
That's pet that.
What do you mean guidelines? What are you painting? What are you painting? A balloon? Oh. Not while I have my camera.
I just told you earlier. Not do that.
Sydney. Oh God!
They just said it on town right away.
Nadia didn't like that.
Where's her?
Oh gosh! I can't. Just try not to get their faces. Ja!
Hey, Maddie, remember, like I said to you, hold like this and you swing it. Thank you, Maddie.
Before doing the painting experience, I was a little concerned with how we would get paint out of any clothes or shoes or hair, but it was actually really safe for any type of skin, hair, or clothes. We didn't have any trouble washing it off of the skin or out of the hair, and the paint came right off the clothes in the laundry.
Take it out to the braids. Do they have the paint press? Why do they have a shower?
Against my will.
Alright, so we're getting ready to go into the smash room now. We're going to destroy some stuff. A good rec room is going to provide you with all the necessary materials. You'll definitely want to make sure you have access to gloves and a face shield or protective eyewear, and you'll definitely want long pants and a long sleeve shirt, as well as some thick-soled closed-toed shoes.
Some of your old stuff. 6. Eventually, yeah.
Yeah. Are you gonna put your?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it.
My eyes are closed again.
Oh my God.
I got in there.
All right, how do you guys feel after that?
Pace yourself if you're old.
Michael's in here acting like he's 27, but he's really 31.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm almost 27. I still think I pulled something on my shoulder too.
So,
I'm stopped.
smash rooms are totally worth it. They're so much fun. You can go to Goodwill and get a ton of crap to just bring, because they supply some stuff, but if you want extra stuff, we went to Goodwill.
Worth it.
Makes it a lot better because you got more stuff to
You
bring.
used the full amount of time. We only broke the stuff they gave us, but that was super quick.
Yeah. So, recommendation to bring your own stuff. Check with the place you're going to, but yeah, for sure, it's really good.
I'm free!
I'll put my
Are you stuck too? Just don't know when you got carried.
Just don't know, going.
That's my only stipulation. I'll have anyone do that once.
How did you like it, Riley?
Oh, I like it. I like to do less.
I meditated and I always, when I'm at my cat,